So welcome to this video. I'm going to see how you can edit errors of Amazon KDP book cover. And you can see your expected cover size is 12.2 blah 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 inches and 9.2 inches. What was submitted is outside the Amazon scope. So we're going to see how to fix this. So we'll be using a tool called GIMP. Using a tool called GIMP. GIMP is a open source software. It is completely free source. So this is the tool we're going to use for it. So you upload it to your GIMP software. When you display when you are in the tool, you go to image and click scale size. When you are there, change the size over here. Come here, change it from pixel to inches. As you can see, it has indicated the inches, the width and the height that was there at the Amazon. If you come here, you see this 11 points. What was indicated here. So we are going to change. We'll copy this level, this 12 point something inches. Come here. First of all, you have to change this, click this to separate it from the height. So you paste it, the width here. You go back to the cover, copy the 9.2 inch and go back to GIMP. And paste it here. So when you are done with this, you click scale. So we have now adjusted it. So come here, click file, you click export and click export once again. First of all, change it and click export. Click export once again. So head over to this is it. We've adjusted it. So we come here and convert it to PDF. Come here, save as. So we now head over to, after converting to PDF, head over to, come here, click exit, print preferer. So we scroll down. So we now have to upload the cover we just edited. So we come here, click upload, come here and click it. So we're uploading the new book cover now. So we've now uploaded the new cover now. So we head over to scroll down, launch the viewer once again. So as you can see, that error, that font, the font cover, as you can see, the cover is now aligned with the dimension that Amazon wants. So that has been removed. So that's how you can fix errors of book cover on Amazon. So thank you for watching. To the next video.